Namaste, my dear children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Stay home and be safe. Today, we are going to enter into a new academic session. Now, it's time to English class. All of you love birds? Yes, children, isn't it correct? Yes. All of you love birds. I am going to show some pictures of birds. See the pictures of birds, how they are beautiful. Can you guess what today's lesson is about? Yes, you would have guessed. That is about a bird, parrot. All like parrot, children? You can follow me? All like parrot? Yes, you all like parrot. Think about some special feature of a parrot. All think? Yes, very good. Whatever word you speak, the parrot will hear those words and speak. Is it correct, children? Yes, it is correct. Now entering into the topic. Today's topic is lesson 1, the parrot who wouldn't speak. The characters in this lesson is Aunt Ruby, parrot, grandmother and grandfather. All understood, children? The character involved in this lesson is Aunt Ruby, parrot, grandmother and grandfather. And the author. Here the author is referred as he in the book. So all understood? Yes. Okay. Now entering into the lesson. See the lesson. Lesson 1. The parrot who wouldn't speak. That is the name of the lesson. See here, they have given some warm-up activities. See the birds. First is a picture of a parrot. Next is a picture of an owl. Next is a picture of an ostrich. And the fourth one is a picture of a sparrow. All understood, ma? Any doubt in this? Can run for half an hour without stopping. You can guess which bird can do? Yes, it is ostrich. Can learn to copy human voices. That is, I already told, that is, who will do like that copy of human voices? That is the first picture, parrot. Can beat their wings very fast. Anybody can guess which bird can do? Yes, that is sparrow. Can turn their heads all the way around. Which bird can do? That is the second bird, owl. Entering into the lesson. See the lesson, all of you. All understood the warm-up activities? Shall we go to the lesson? See the lesson. The first line they are given is, follow me, all of you. When I was growing up in Missouri, almost all our neighbors kept a pet parrot or parakeet. That is, the meaning of parakeet is a small bird of the parrot family, usually with a long tail. That is the meaning of parakeet. Sometimes these birds would learn to talk. They would say things like study child study or don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. These words and phrases were of course learned after some member of the household had repeated them many times in front of the bird. That is, I already mentioned in the first, the parrot have a habit of repeating whatever words we talk in front of the bird, it will repeat the same word. But our parrot refused to talk. That is, the Aunt Ruby is keeping a pet parrot. That parrot refused to talk. He had been bought by Aunt Ruby from a bird catcher who visited all the houses on our road. Grandmother and grandfather did not want a caged bird as a pet, but Aunt Ruby insisted. But in their house, the grandmother and grandfather don't want to put a bird in a cage and keep it as a pet, but Aunt Ruby she didn't obey them and she insisted. She said firmly, insisted means said firmly, that she want to buy a parrot and keep it as a pet. Next page, children. See, this is Aunt Ruby and the cage. That is for the parrot to keep it as a pet. So she bought the parrot and tried to teach him to talk. But the parrot did not like her at all. Kiss, kiss, Aunt Ruby would say, putting her face close to the bars of the cage. But the parrot would move back, his beady eyes getting smaller with anger. See, this Aunt Ruby I already mentioned, she wants her parrot to talk, but the parrot is not obeying her words. Here beady means small, round and bright, watching everything closely. That is, the eyes of the parrot is like this. One day he lunged forward and pushed my aunt's spectacles off her nose. Here the meaning of the lunged is moved or to catch the or to attack the bird. The meaning of lunged is move to catch or attack something. Here when Aunt Ruby is getting close to the cage, the parrot is attacking her. After that, Aunt Ruby did not like the parrot anymore. After this happening has happened, the Aunt Ruby did not like the parrot anymore. She started making faces at him and calling out, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." See, if anybody in our friends surrounding, if we don't like anybody means we will show our faces. If we are angry means we will show our eyes bright, like that. Here also this Aunt Ruby got very much angry with the parrot and she started showing faces and she was very angry with the parrot. Grandmother then put me in charge of feeding the parrot. Then here me is referred to the author. The author is writing his own experience. He was quite happy to take great chilies, pieces of papaya and ripe tomatoes from my hands. I also gave him slices of mango. This gave me a chance to eat few mangoes while feeding the parrot. Whenever the author, that is he, gives the feed to feed the parrot will eat the papayas, right, green chilies, pieces of papaya. One afternoon, while everyone was in the dining room, I gave the parrot his lunch. By mistake, I left the cage door open. Seconds later, the bird flew away to sit on the mango tree. At the same time, grandfather came to the veranda and said, "I see your aunt's parrot was escaped. I am sorry, I left the door open by mistake." I said, that is, one day when the author is giving food to the parrot, he by chance, by mistake, he left the cage door open. At that time, the parrot flew away. Seeing that, Aunt Ruby was very upset. She wanted to buy another parrot. We promised to buy her a bowl of goldfish instead of a parrot. I thought that he would never see the parrot again, but maybe he missed his green chilies. A few days later, I found the bird sitting on the veranda, railing and looking at me. Here, the railing means, the meaning of the railing is fence made of metal. One day, when they were sitting on the veranda, they saw the parrot coming again to their veranda. Just then, Aunt Ruby came outside and cried out, "Look, it's my parrot. He must have missed me." Quickly, the parrot flew to the next rose bush. He looked angrily at my aunt and shrieked, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." Whatever the Aunt Ruby, when she was angry, she was telling to the parrot, has been, the parrot is repeating these words again to Aunt Ruby. Aunt Ruby's face turned ruby red and ran inside. The parrot became a regular visitor to our garden. Whenever he saw Aunt Ruby, he would call out, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." Whenever when the parrot see Aunt Ruby, the parrot will repeat the words. The parrot heard, "Now learn to talk." This is a lesson about. From this lesson, we learn that whatever we do, it will come back to us immediately. Always, children, we have to do good things. If we do good things, it will come to us in the good manner. All understood the lesson? Any doubt in this lesson? If we have doubt, read the lesson in the house and mark the difficult words. And now I am going to say orally the vocabulary words. All repeat, put the videos again and you can repeat the vocabulary words and the hard words and you can learn the vocabulary words. Parakeet, insisted, beady, lunged, railing, Mussoorie, unselfishly, shrieked, turned ruby red, veranda, neighbors, household, phrases, promised, Aunt Ruby, grandfather, grandmother, visitor. These are all the words which are hard. I have given you training, so you can read the lesson again and you can understand the story, and we will meet on next class. Okay children, all understood? Thank you.